Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the latest financial filings. And today we're looking at Cedar Realty Trust, and let's just say they're paying their dues to their preferred shareholders, and that's kind of a big deal for real estate investment trusts. So, on July 28th of 2025, Cedar Realty Trust, or CDR as they're known, made an announcement. They're paying out dividends to their preferred stockholders. For those who might not know, preferred stocks are like a special class of shares that usually pay a fixed dividend, and they get paid before common stockholders. Think of it like getting your slice of the pie before everyone else at the table. For their Series B preferred stock, which carries a dividend rate of 7.25%, they're paying out 45 cents and a fraction of a cent per share. This payment is set for August 20th, with anyone who owned the stock by the end of the business day on August 8th getting that dividend. Then there's the Series C preferred stock. This one has a dividend rate of 640%, and they're dishing out 40 cents and a bit more for each share. This is also going out on August 20th to shareholders of record on August 8th, just like the Series B. Now, what does this really mean? This type of announcement is a pretty standard part of how companies like Cedar Realty Trust operate. They're letting the public know about these dividend payments, fulfilling what's called Regulation FD, which is all about making sure information is shared fairly with everyone at the same time. It shows they're committed to their preferred shareholders, which is important for maintaining investor confidence. When a company consistently pays its preferred dividends, it signals financial stability. The details of these payments were released in a press release. You can find it attached to their official filing. It's basically like the company's formal announcement to the world about who's getting paid what and when. Cedar Realty Trust is a real estate investment trust, or REIT. These companies own and operate income-producing real estate. Think of shopping centers, office buildings, apartment complexes, that sort of thing. REITs are designed to give investors a way to own a piece of real estate without having to buy and manage properties themselves. They also have a special tax advantage if they distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. So these dividend payments are not just nice to have, they're a core part of their business model. Both their Series B and Series C preferred stocks are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, a really big and well-known stock exchange. This means that these shares are accessible to a lot of investors and their prices can be watched closely. So looking at this filing, it's a straightforward announcement about dividend payments. It tells us that Cedar Realty Trust is fulfilling its obligations to its preferred stockholders. This is good news for those investors, showing the company is on solid ground enough to continue these regular payments. For Cedar Realty Trust as a whole, maintaining these payments is crucial for their reputation and for attracting capital. If they were to miss a preferred dividend, it would send a serious red flag to investors about their financial health. It tells us they are continuing their strategy of returning capital to shareholders via these dividends. Now, what's my take on this? It's a quiet filing, really. No major financial bombshells here, just the expected rhythm of a company that deals in income-generating properties and has a structure that requires paying preferred dividends. It's a sign of operational normalcy, which in the financial world can actually be pretty comforting. It suggests they aren't facing any immediate crises that would force them to cut or suspend these payments. Of course, to get a fuller picture, we'd need to dive into their more detailed financial reports like their quarterly earnings or annual reports to see the underlying strength of their income streams and their overall financial health. But based on this specific filing, Cedar Realty Trust appears to be managing its obligations to preferred shareholders as expected, which is a positive indicator. Alright, that's our quick decoder on Cedar Realty Trust's latest announcement. What do you think about companies paying out preferred dividends? Does it signal strength or just a necessary cost of doing business for them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights into the world of finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, for even more discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.